presentation before we just look at the 5 recommended poses for energy is some practical tips and ideas. So these are just a few recommendations that I thought of. Again, I'm sure you can think of some other ones as to how you can practically incorporate fitness into your life right now. Now that you're so motivated to do so after hearing this presentation. So the first one is to discover an activity you enjoy. So if you force yourself to do something that you don't like, you will not stick with it. So consistency is more important than intensity. Always better to pick a type of exercise that you enjoy. So there's so many different options out there, so be sure to do your research and be honest with yourself about what it is that you like to do and find a way to make that happen. Another option is to get a workout buddy. So by having a friend who you are exercising with and you feel accountable to, and also just for companionship, just it makes working out a lot more enjoyable when you're with somebody else who's experiencing it with you. Another thing that you can do is to join a class, and that will force you to commit. So that's also a great thing, is once you have paid in advance for a class, then you'll feel obligated to go, hopefully. And then just a few other suggestions how you can incorporate fitness into your daily activities. Take the stairs rather than the elevator. Park further away from your destination. Practice bending, squatting down, reaching, lifting, or other such movements efficiently while doing housework. For example, using your core muscles. This will be a lot easier to do once you've learned some of the basic ways to do this, to engage your core muscles by going to a Pilates or a yoga class initially to learn how to do this. Some other things that you could do is to practice breathing exercises while waiting in line. And while you're on the phone or doing other kinds of activities that you have the freedom to do so, you can pace back and forth, squat, and do other types of movement exercise. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and now just looking at this